Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faisi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk on stereochemistry, isomerism, classification of isomerism, chiral and achiral carbon, enantiomer, diastereomers, geometric isomerism in cyclic compound, asymmetric synthesis, optical resolutions method, racemic mixture, meso compounds, RNS configuration, Fischer projections, specific rotations, optical activity and applications. And I hope this video will be helpful to you. So start करते हैं. What is stereochemistry? Think about it. Friend, stereochemistry is the study of the three-dimensional structure of molecules. It also defined as the branch of chemistry that concerned with the three-dimensional arrangement of atoms and molecules and the effect of this on chemical reactions. So friend, you can see this solid structure. So ये आइसोमेरिज्म क्या है? What is isomerism? The different compounds which have the same molecular structure are called isomers, and the phenomenon is called isomerism. You can see here normal butane and isobutane. This is the example. Same molecular structure but different compounds. यहाँ पर आप देखें नॉर्मल ब्यूटेन है और आइसोब्यूटेन है, दोनों की मोलिकुलर फॉर्मूला सेम है लेकिन स्ट्रक्चर डिफरेंट. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, नेक्स्ट आई विल डिस्कस about classification of isomerism. This is very common and very well known. Isomerism classified into structural and stereo. Further, stereo have many classifications, mainly geometric and optical, and structural chain, position, functional, metamerism and tautomerism. Now friend, I will discuss one by one what is a structural isomerism. Compounds of the same molecular formula with different connectivity. You can see here we have two molecules, one is 2-methyl pentane and another 3-methyl pentane. So name is different, so arrangement is different. Now friend, stereoisomerism, compound of the same structure that differ in one or more aspect of stereochemistry. You can see in these examples. Now friend, conformational isomers, compounds of the same structure that differ in rotation around one or more single bonds. You can see here methyl hydrogen attached with one carbon, and same way methyl hydrogen attached with another carbon. So here is the para, here is the ortho. So chiral and achiral carbon. What is chiral carbon? Friend, a molecule containing a carbon with 4 different groups results in a chiral molecule, and the carbon is referred to as a chiral or a symmetric और स्टीरियोजेनिक सेंटर। आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि इस कार्बन से COOH ग्रुप HNH2R ये सभी डिफरेंट हैं और ये कार्बन कायरल कार्बन कहलाता है। दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कायरल कार्बन्स। नाउ फ्रेंड, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कायरल कार्बन। कायरल कंपाउंड is a compound that is optically active and can rotate light. ये लाइट को रोटेट करता है। Although everything has a mirror image, mirror images may or may not be superimposable. Friend, actually chiral molecule contains 4 different atoms by sp3 hybridizations. Chiral compounds are non-superimposable mirror image like our 2 hands. यहाँ पर आप देखिए आपके 2 हैंड हैं, दोनों हैंड को एक दूसरे ऊपर रखेंगे तो नॉन सुपरइम्पोजेबल होगा। सो नॉन सुपरइम्पोजेबल मिरर इमेज ऑफ दीज 2 molecules. Now friend, what is achiral carbon? A molecule or object that is superimposable on its mirror image is said to be achiral. In a chiral molecule, carbon atom contain at least 2 same molecule on their hands. You can see here the CH3 and CH3, 2 molecule are same, so it is not chiral, it is achiral. ये achiral है क्यों कि ये 2 CH3 ग्रुप एक ही कार्बन से अटैच। Now friend, enantiomer. Enantiomers are the chiral molecule that are mirror image of one another. They have same physical properties. D-lactic acid and L-lactic acid. So D-lactic acid and lactic acid are enantiomers. आप यहाँ पर देखें कि ये दोनों enantiomers कहलाते हैं और ये 2 अलग अलग कंपाउंड्स हैं जो एक दूसरे के मिरर इमेज से। Now friend, diastereomers. Diastereomers are the stereoisomers that are not mirror image of each other. You can see here D-glucose and D-galactose are not mirror image. So if it is not mirror image, then it is diastereomers. Friend, you know geometric isomerism. Alkenes show a geometric isomerism because it contains carbon-carbon double bond which is unable to rotates. You know the double bonds. Now friend, geometric isomerism in cyclic compound. Cis-cyclic compound cis-1,2-dichlorocyclohexane is a chiral because the molecule has an internal plane of symmetry. You can see here cis-1,2-dichlorohexane, ये दोनों क्लोरीन एक ही साइड में, तो इसीलिए इसको सिस कहते हैं। इंटरनल मिरर प्लेन ऑफ द सिमेट्री, इसमें क्या है, एक सिग्मा है जो इंटरनल मिरर प्लेन है जो नहीं रहना चाहिए। सो ये ये कायरल हो जाते हैं। से इज ए कायरल बिकॉज द मॉलिक्यूल हैज़ एन इंटरनल प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री। Now trans-cyclic compound, trans 1,2-dichlorocyclohexane does not have plane of symmetry, so the images are non-superimposable and the molecules will have two enantiomers. ये आप देखें यहाँ पर this molecule showing two enantiomers and इनके mirror image ये है different trans and this is friend. Now asymmetric synthesis. Asymmetric synthesis may be defined as the chemical reaction in which stereoisomeric product is formed in unequal amount under the influence of suitable optically active regions. So friend, what is optical resolution method? Optical resolution method is the method of enantiomer separation. Enantiomers को separate करते हैं जो एक दूसरे का mirror image है. Generally there are 5 type of optical resolution method: mechanical separation, biochemical separation, chemical separation, kinetic separation and selective adsorption. Now racemic mixture. ये racemic mixture क्या है? An equal amount of two enantiomers is called a racemic mixture. A racemic mixture is optically inactive. Example: 50% tartaric acid and 50% tartaric acid mixture. You can see here, no rotation. Now meso compound. Meso compound are the chiral compound that have plane of symmetry. If one image was rotated 180 degree, then it could be superimposed on the other image. This is the example 2,3-dibromobutane is a meso compound. Now friend, R and S configuration. Both enantiomers of alanine receive the same name in the IP system, 2-aminopropanoate. Only one enantiomer is biologically active in alanine. Only the enantiomers on the left can be metabolized by enzyme. A way to distinguish between them is to use stereochemical modifiers and this. So Fischer projections. What is the Fischer projection? Flat representation of a 3D molecules. A chiral carbon is the intersections of horizontal and vertical line. Horizontal line are forward out of plane and vertical line are behind the plane. Just remember. You can see here the Fischer projections is tartaric acid, lactic acid, and now specific rotations. Specific rotation is a standardized physical constant for the amount that a chiral compound rotate plane polarized line. A specific rotation alpha is equal to alpha divided by L into C, where alpha observed rotation in degree, A length of sample tube decimeter, and C concentration gram per ml. dm means decimeter. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. Now friend, optical activity. Enantiomer rotates the plane of polarized light in opposite direction but same number of degree. You can see the D lactic acid and L lactic acid. Tautomerism. Friend, tautomerism are constitutional isomers of interconvert, and this reaction commonly results in the relocation of proton. You can see keto form, enol form. These are tautomers. So what is the application of stereochemistry? Stereochemistry has a significant role in pharmacy and it has importance in the two sectors: medicinal importance and biological importance. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and thanks for watching. और आप इसको लाइक करेंगे तो हमें और भी अच्छे वीडियो बनाने का दिल करेगा. सो आप इसको मोहब्बत से लाइक करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.